Hello, welcome to Song's violin class. Let's have some fun together. Today we're going to practice G major to octave scales. So we're going to start with a 60 BPM. 1, 2, let's go. I would like to divide the scales into two sections. First is the lower octave from G string to the D string. Okay? Ready, go. After you master that, we're going to move on to the second octave, which starts on the D string. Ready, go. Now we can combine the two octaves together and making to twice as fast, which means you have to play 2/8 notes per click. Okay, ready, go. When you practice scales, please do not use vibrato. You just want to hear pure intonation and good quality sound. Hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thank you for watching.